Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect your Hayday with your Facebook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Hayday in your mobile phone or your tablet. Once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now all you gotta do is simply tap on the three lines which looks like a burger, and you need to simply tap on it, and once you have tapped on it, you will get different kind of options. So simply tap on the option called settings. Once you tap on it, you will end up in this interface. There you can find that you have only one option to connect your Hayday with Google Play. And you heard it absolutely right. You cannot connect your Hayday with Facebook right now, because in past there was an option to get connected with Facebook, but now as Facebook and Hayday have some issues, it has been now removed from your Hayday app. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many updating and interesting videos like this.